friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if you are interested in watching me spend too much money, then please subscribe below. Those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate your comments and your support and your thumbs up. I appreciate all of it. So today we are doing a mix and match box. If you're not familiar with mix and match box, they are another styling services. They have two types of boxes. They have the Go For It, which is your regular styling service where you only buy what you want to keep. They send you 6+ items. Their usual styling fee is $25, but if you either one, use my promo code below, you get $5 on the first box, or on their website, you can subscribe to 3 boxes, which each have a $5 styling fee, which is what I have done. They also have the Take a Chance box, which they, for I think like $105, they send you 4 items. Those items are yours to keep, and it is a great deal for those. But this box is just a Go For It box. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. My stylist, Dana, has left the company. I was notified of that, so I have a new stylist, Faith, but I'm told she's top-notch. So I'm excited to see what Faith has put together. I did request some pieces off of their Instagram, but I think I requested it so late that those items aren't going to make it in time for this box, so those should maybe be here for next box. So I really have no idea what's in here. I've basically just been asking for fall pieces in my boxes because I just need more cooler weather clothes. But I really like mix and match because I like that they give you some more items. You do get a 25% discount if you buy 5 or more items. And sometimes they can be a little bit more affordable than what you might get in a Stitch Fix. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I'll go over the mailer paperwork later. And then they always have a beautifully bundled tissue paper beautifulness. So let's dive right in. In the first bundle here, let's see what we've got. Okay, first up we have a long sleeve. Is this a dress or tunic? I feel like I've seen this on their site. I think this is a dress, and it is a tie front here, which is a cute detail, and it's basically like a gray and cream heathered dress. So I like that. And then we have this, another dress, a sweater dress. It is a black ribbed dress, and then it has this mock turtleneck on it, and then red and white stripes along it. This might end up being too snug of a bum, but we shall see. And because I always forget to call out the brands, I'm going to trying to do better at this. Okay, so the gray heather dress, that is by GILLI. The black ribbed dress, this is by REGENBOGEN. Haven't heard of that, REGENBOGEN. This top, it is by LUSH. It is a sheer blouse. It has kind of a unique cross front here, a button down, and then kind of, like I said, a faux wrap kind of here at the bottom, and then a flower pattern. I'm not sure if I love that pattern, but we will see what that looks like on. And then we have, oh, interesting, a pair of corduroys by Dear John. Oh, it's a skirt. Huh. It's a skirt. And there's some slight distressing on it. It's like a very light rust color. It has a scissor hem on it, so really cute though, very cute. I like this a lot. A nice casual skirt. I couldn't wear that to work, but I could elsewhere. Okay, second bundle. Okay, in the second bundle we have this soft gray long sleeve shirt. It's a very light camo sleeve on it. This is a great casual shirt. I like this a lot. It is by 143 Story. It's 143 Story by Line Up. Okay. So, and it has a curved hem at the bottom. I'm just super into curved hems right now. Okay, ooh, this is another soft soft piece. All right, let's figure this out. Okay. All right, I've got it unraveled now. Okay, so it's like a sweatshirt, sweater thing, and it's solid gray in the middle, and then you've got a lighter gray and white on the sleeves and cowl neck, and then it does have this big drapey cowl neck to it, which I think is really cool. Again, this is 143 story by Lineup. That is very interesting. This is going to be a really great cozy piece. And then we have, ooh, a couple pairs of jeans. I love jeans. All right, this is Judy Blue Los Angeles jeans, and they are some lightly distressed jeans. They look to be like a mid or a high rise. There's distressing here on the pockets, and then just kind of sprinkled all throughout. And the bottoms are a bit distressed, but they're not cut ends. They're just kind of worn out ends. Very cute. I like these a lot. And then last pair of jeans. These are a dark wash, simple, no distressing jean, which is nice because I can wear that to work. These are by Just USA, and just a very cool looking jean. So a lot of great pieces here. Can't wait to try it all on. I am going to go over the stylist note here before I do the try on, just in case there's anything that I need to know for the try on, but then we will go over the prices at the end. Okay, so there's the mailer here to send back what you don't want to keep. I think you have 5 days with mix and match. And let's go over Faith's note. She says, "Hi Jennifer, I've included in this box a few long sleeve dresses as you requested. The Regenbogen sweater dress would be great with a knee boot. Can't wait for you to try this one. The Lush floral button front blouse is so cute with the Dear John corduroy skirt. The 143 striped turtleneck and the Camo round neck shirt are perfect for those lazy Sundays when you want to be comfy but still look cute. Pair either one with the Just USA or Judy Blue jeans. I hope you love this box, and I look forward to hearing from you." And then they have a rundown on how everything works, and their returns are by UPS. She said, "Look forward to styling you again, your MMB stylist, Faith." Okay, and then there's the invoice. We won't look at that yet. Okay, now let's try these pieces on. Okay, so I love these jeans. I love the distressing on them. I like the medium wash that they have. I like it is a mid-rise pant. I just think it fits really well. I like the distressed ending on them. They're not too long. They fit great. They fit like a glove. So I don't need any more jeans, but I think I have to keep them. So this shirt is just too big. So I like the shirt a lot. I like the kind of the muted camo look. It's a very soft, casual shirt. I like it a lot. It's just, it's very wide. So this is a small. I am going to check with my stylist and see if they have an extra small, but usually they send me the small size available. So if they send me a small, that usually means there is no extra small, but the smalls run small. Sorry, that's a lot of the word small. But when I find that when they do send me some of these tops that are smalls that are supposed to run small, they just end up being too big on me. So this is, I think this is a keeper if I can size down in it, and if it's not, if I can't, then it's clearly not, because it's just too big. Okay, next outfit. Okay, second outfit. The jeans, they fit well. They were a bit snug, but not bad. Now that I have them on, I think they're a skinnier type jean than the last pair I had on, so I took a little bit more finagling. The length isn't bad. I just have a single roll on it. I like them. I like the dark wash. If I didn't already have too many jeans, then I would keep these, but since I do have too many jeans, it's like, I'm just not that excited about them. The top, again, it is a little bit big up here, but it's super comfortable. I love this cowl neck detail where you get the stripe and then the dark in here. I think that's really cute. Then my only other downside is these sleeves, though they're really soft, they're actually really thin. So you have a thicker material here and some thinner sleeves, and it leaves my arms wishing they got some of the thicker material too. But overall, I think it's a very cute, very comfortable shirt. Again, this will be one that I ask if I can size down on. So, okay, that was our second outfit. Let's keep going. Okay, next outfit, we have the skirt and the matching blouse. I love how these look together with the flowers that match the skirt exactly. I think this is a really nice outfit. Love the skirt. I just think it's such a cute skirt. This will be one that it's dependent on whether the price is right, because I don't wear these type of skirts a lot because I can't wear them to work, and there's only, I don't know, I really want to wear this type of skirt to church, and so I'm limiting the clothes that I get that I would wear elsewhere, because I just have limited opportunities because me and my husband don't go out a whole lot. So if the price is right, I will keep the skirt because I think it's a great fit. I think it's super cute. But the top is just kind of okay to me. I like the faux wrap style and the longer back. It's just kind of, again, another big shirt on me. Even if it were smaller, I don't know that I'd be over the moon with it, just because the pattern maybe isn't quite my style. And I think I'm not a huge blouse person. I'm not sure. I just haven't really found many blouses that I've been into. But I love these together, so well, I'll see what the price is. So I think I just have 2 dresses left, so let's go try on one of those. Okay, friends, what do you think of this dress? So I really like the dress. I think it's a good fit. This one fits pretty well everywhere. I like the tie front detail on it. This is what's simple in the back. The only thing that makes me hesitate with this is just the color material isn't that very exciting looking. It's just, you know, a normal gray heather dress. And so I'm not sure if it's something I'd get excited about wearing, because it's kind of eh. But I really like the fit of it. Again, I think this tie detail is a cute detail, and I feel like I could get away with eating some hamburgers and stuff because we got a little bit of coverage here. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think, but I like it. Okay, so I'll say I have mixed feelings on this dress as well. So at first I was like no to the mock turtleneck, but I'm kind of into it now. I like the stripe around here, the red and white on it, I think is a very cute detail. I like the fit of it. It fits well through the arms and up here. So everything's great, but I feel like it's just too snug. You can kind of see my wide hips a little bit too much here. There's too much booty happening, and if I eat extra cheeseburgers, the world will know it. I don't know, I could wear it on skinny days, I guess. Days where I'm not bloated and I feel thin. I don't know. So you guys let me know what you think of this. I do like it. It is a warmer dress. Again, nice long. Alright, well, let's go over the prices, then we can make some decisions from there. Okay, let's go over the prices now. First of all, we have this GILLI. It's called the Gray Shift dress with the boat neckline, long sleeve, embellished tie, art, center, front waist with a striped fabric, size small. $48. I don't know if I loved it enough to pay $48. I am going to get this video posted before I send these items back, so I really appreciate people's feedback, but I'm feeling like I just don't love this enough to make room for it in my closet. This bodycon sweater, this is by REGENBOGEN, is the black color block long sleeve bodycon sweater dress, size small, $48. I really like the top half of it. I just think the bottom half is too smug. My dress is so smug. No, snug. So I just don't think I'm going to keep this because I'm not going to feel comfortable with how tight the bottom is. The gray, the black and gray contrast knit top by 143 with striped turtleneck and long sleeve, size small. This is $39. I think if I can size down on it, it'll be a keeper. It's going to be a great, cozy sweater to wear, and I love the unique cowl neck on it. The 143, this is the blue / olive long sleeve round neck top with camo, size small, $32. So if I can size down on it, this is definitely a keeper for me. And then we have this Dear John Eliana A-line skirt in habanero red, size 25, originally $78, on sale for $60. I love it. I love the color of it. I love the fit of it. I don't know how often I'm going to get to wear it. I just don't think a $60 love it. I just don't know that I'm going to get enough use out of it. You guys tell me if I'm a fool, okay? Tell me if I'm a fool here. Okay, then we have the Just USA Indigo mid-rise skinny ankle, $52. And I just didn't love them enough. If I needed more jeans, I'd keep them because I do like them. But since I don't, they will not be keepers. Then we have the Judy Blue medium dark wash skinny fit jeans with destruction and frayed hems. Love these. Cute, comfortable, they fit great. Happy with these, $45. Then we have from Lush, this is a flirty long sleeve button tunic blouse with a button front crafted with a collared neckline and draped and gathered hem, size small, $48. I will not be keeping this. I have yet to find blouses like this that I actually really like on me. It's like, theoretically I like it, but on me, I don't know. I think they always look so big on me. I don't know. Okay, so the entire box is $377. If I bought everything, which again, if you buy 5 or more items, you get 25% off. So if I bought everything, you would get $94.25 off for a total of $282.75. Plus, the $5 styling fee does come off of anything that you purchase. And I do believe I have one credit from somebody who used my link. I don't get notified who it is, so whoever it is, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate when you guys use my referral link because it makes these unboxings a little bit more affordable. So, again, I love mix and match. I really enjoy the stylist interaction of it. I think I'm probably going to do maybe one more box and then pause this subscription because I am wanting to try other ones like Wannable, Trunk Club, Natalie Attired, and I think FabFitFun has a new style box, and I can only do so many in 1 month. So there's going to be several of these subscriptions that I am going to pause until I get to try everything, and then I will figure out what the future of styling boxes for Jen will be. But I do love mix and match. I do highly recommend it. My stylist did a great job. My new stylist, Faith, awesome. Thank you, Faith. Love you. Okay, so that got weird. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.